So when you're speaking in a recorded interview with your insurance company, here's what they're going to want to understand. Number one, what was happening prior to the crash? Who were you with? Where'd you leave from? Where were you going? What route did you take? Factual information. Then the next part of the interview discusses what happened right up before the crash. And being very specific is so important. A lot of people tend to generalize and be vague. And when you play back those kind of responses 2 years later in trial, it comes across that you really are not too sure. And because this is the first interview that you're giving, you want to make it real clear as to what's exactly happened. So being well prepared, knowing the types of questions that you're going to be asked, and rehearsing or preparing what the best factual answer is so important. The second thing they want to talk about is, after what happened leading up to and what caused the crash, the next topic is, well, how are you feeling? What are your injuries? And the most common mistake here is that because it's been so recent, most of the time, these calls happen, the same day or, within the same week, people try to often downplay their injuries. And the recording of that, I think I'm okay, can really be problematic if in fact you're not okay. So answering questions about what were the consequences of the crash need to be very clear as to what was injured and what your intentions are to deal with those injuries or what you've already done to deal with them. So first part is, tell me what happened, who's at fault, let's understand what happened. And then the second topic is, what were the consequences, what were your injuries, and what were the damages. So understanding how to respond to these very specific questions with your own insurance company will help them understand and handle the claim appropriately for you.